everyone, myself Anuj Singh Negi. Welcome to our documentary on digital awareness. Technology is now a part of everything we do learning, communication, shopping, and even entertainment. But along with these advantages come challenges like cybercrime, fake news, and data theft. In this video, we will explain how to stay safe, responsible, and smart in the digital world. So let's begin our journey towards understanding digital awareness.
Online scams are becoming more sophisticated every day. Fraudsters use fake websites, phishing emails, and misleading messages to steal money and personal information. It's essential to verify any information or links you receive before acting on them. Never share sensitive data like passwords, banking details, or personal documents online. If someone sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Always stay alert and report any suspicious activity to prevent yourselves or others from becoming victims. Being cautious and informed is the key to staying safe in the digital world.
Social media has connected the world in ways we never imagined. We can share moments with friends, participate in communities, and learn from others instantly. However, social media can also be risky. Oversharing personal information, falling for fake news, or spending too much time scrolling can have serious consequences for our privacy and mental health. It's important to always pause and think before posting anything online. Ask yourself, is this information accurate? Is it safe to share? How will it affect me and others? By being careful and responsible, we can enjoy social media without falling into traps or harming ourselves and others.
So myself, Mayur, I am talking about the cyber security. Online security is one of the most important aspects of the digital awareness. Protecting your account from the personal information should always be top priority. You can start by creating a strong and unique passwords, and also you can add whenever possible. Keeping your device or apps on update will also check the flaws that the hacker can exploit. Criminals are always trying to trick the people, and one wrong click can lead you to the serious consequences. Remember, a little caution today can save you from the big problems tomorrow.
Did you know that every little thing we do online, yes, even that random cat meme you liked at 2 a.m. leaves a mark? That's your digital footprint. From your posts and searches to your likes and your deleted messages. Surprise, they aren't totally gone. It all adds up. And guess what? Employers, schools, or even random strangers can access that stuff someday. Yep, your online choices can affect your reputation, your opportunities, or even your safety. So before you hit post, take a second and think, would I still be cool with it 5 years from now? Keeping your digital footprint clean and positive isn't about being boring. It's about being smart. Because once something on the internet, well, it kind of likes to stay there forever. So let's make our online presence something we are proud of. Positive, responsible, and totally you.
You know, sometimes we get messages that sound so exciting, like, congratulations, you won a prize, or click here to claim your reward. It feels tempting, right? But that's exactly how the online scammers trap people. These days, online scams are everywhere. Fake shopping sites, fraud calls, or messages pretending to be from your bank. They look so real that anyone can fall for them. That's why we need to pause and think before we click. Always check the sources. Is this message really from a trusted site? Does the link look suspicious? And please, never share your password, OTPs, or bank details with anyone, no matter how genuine they sound. Real companies will never ask such informations online. Remember, if sometimes seems to be good to be true, it probably is. Stay alert, ask questions, and help others stay aware too.
Cyberbullying and online etiquette. Cyberbullying is a serious problem worldwide. Hurtful comments, threats, and leaking private images without consent is a serious crime. Online etiquette is essential. Being kind towards others, having respect for others, and thinking before posting any comment or post, and never to participate in harmful behavior comes under this. If you witness cyberbullying, report. Supporting victims and reporting harassment can help create a safer environment for everyone. Remember, the online world should be a place of learning and connection and sharing positivity, not fear of negativity.
Start. Technology is a tool that makes life easier, but spending too much time online can harm your mental health. Set limits on screen time, take regular breaks, focus on hobbies and activities offline. It's important to balance the digital world with the real world. Friendships, family time, exercise, and creative activities should never be neglected. By using technology responsibly, we can enjoy its benefits without losing our mental well being or personal collections. Thank you.
Digital literacy is the ability to use technology effectively, responsibly, and safely. Understanding how apps, algorithms, and online tools works help us make smarter decisions and avoid risks. It's important to develop critical thinking skills to identify fake news, scams, or misleading content. Parents, teachers, and schools play a key role in guiding students towards safe digital habits and responsible technology use.
Start.
Conclusion: technology is growing fast and we use it every day in our lives. But we should also stay careful and use it in the right way. Always think before you post, keep your information private, and be kind online. If we all use the internet wisely, it can be careful and happy place for everyone. Be aware, be smart, and be safe. Thank